Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Kitchen Faucet, where we explore the latest and greatest in home improvement and design. Today, we have something truly special for you: the Delta Faucet Trinsic Gold Kitchen Faucet with touch technology. The Delta Trinsic Gold Kitchen Faucet is a masterpiece of design and functionality. Its stunning champagne bronze finish adds a touch of luxury and elegance to any kitchen. Just take a look at this beauty. The Delta Trinsic Gold Kitchen Faucet is a masterpiece of design and functionality. Its stunning champagne bronze finish adds a touch of luxury and elegance to any kitchen. This faucet is part of Delta's Trinsic collection. Known for its sleek, minimalist style, it's perfect for those who appreciate clean lines and contemporary aesthetics. But what sets this faucet apart is its touch technology. No more dirty hands leaving smudges on your faucet. A simple touch anywhere on the spout or handle turns the water on or off. It's a game changer for busy kitchens. Here are some of the key features that make the Delta Faucet Trinsic Gold Kitchen Faucet stand out. Touch 2.0 technology for hands-free operation. Touch anywhere on kitchen spout with wrist or forearm to start or stop the flow of water, or use the single lever handle manually. Check your water temperature from across the room using TempSense LED indicator light that changes color to reflect water temperature. Magnetic docking system for keeping the sprayer in place. Diamond seal technology for long-lasting performance, available in a variety of finishes. Fit single-hole or three-hole sinks. Deck plate included. Easy installation. Designed to fit single-hole or three-hole, 6/8" configurations for three-hole installation. Purchase deck plate of 64,070 separately. Indoflex press supply lines are integrated into the faucet for one less leak point and are conveniently included in the box. Easy to clean. Delta kitchen faucets with touch clean spray holes make cleaning a breeze. Simply wipe away any mineral build-up with your finger. No need for soaking or harsh chemicals. The soft rubber spray holes are easy to wipe clean and resist mineral deposits, keeping your faucet looking its best. Battery operated, 6A included, for up to 2-year battery life, or 6C not included, for up to 5-year battery life. Optional AC adapter at 102,157 may be ordered separately. You can seamlessly switch between stream and spray functions with a simple touch, and the water temperature is easy to control. Plus, it helps conserve water, which is great for the environment. And let's not forget the most important thing: how it works in practice. I've been using this faucet in my own kitchen for the past few weeks, and it's a game changer, especially when cooking. The Delta Trinsic Gold Kitchen Faucet with touch technology is a stunning addition to any kitchen. It combines elegant design with cutting-edge functionality to make your life easier. Post-closing, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen and add a touch of luxury, this faucet is a must-have. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Host smiling. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. See you in the next video.